Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on quickly because I've been thinking about this account, the styling sessions, and I've been thinking about the kind of direction I want to take it in. I started this account about 12 months ago and I just kind of sat on it. I did nothing with it. I didn't know the direction I wanted to go in. But then opportunity kind of presented itself, and I feel like now's the time for me to kind of get back into it and take it a bit more seriously. So I've been thinking about the direction I want to take the account in and the content that I want to cover. And this theme keeps popping up in my mind time and time again, and that is to host mini styling sessions. If I upload, what I was thinking was I would upload mini tutorials on a regular basis, covering things like personal style, body shapes, fits and cuts and colours that work best for your skin tone or your body style or your lifestyle, all those kinds of things. So I'm thinking that's the direction that this is going to go in. I'm hoping that the experience that I have in fashion and in retail, and the things that I've learned just through life and by reading books and studying people, I'll be able to pass on, because sometimes I think we just get super overwhelmed by fashion and these rules and what can and can't be seen together and what you should and shouldn't put together when you're this shape or this height or whatever. And I really want to just strip it all back, literally strip it all back, and just start with the basics, make it really simple and really easy, so that what I'm sharing, you don't need to have studied fashion or personal styling to be able to apply. You can just take what I share and then implement it into your own wardrobe or into your own lifestyle, if that's what you want to do. So I'm thinking that's what I'm doing with this. But I need some feedback as well. So if you've got any comments or questions or topics that you want covered, feel free to shoot me a message and let me know, and I'd be more than happy to see if I can incorporate it in some way or research it myself and get back to you. Because at the end of the day, fashion's supposed to be fun. But I think, like I said before, I think we just get overwhelmed by choice, by cost, by trends, and we kind of lose focus on what fashion is supposed to be, and that's just self-expression, really. At the end of the day, it's just an outward expression of who you are inwardly. So that's kind of where I'm taking this account. I hope that you will travel the journey with me. I'm pretty excited to be sort of getting back into styling and fashion and all that kind of stuff. And today I am going to be recording a video for my first styling session, which will be on how to work out what your personal style is. 3 easy steps. I've narrowed it down, so hopefully you can stay on board and watch that, pick up some tips and tricks and apply them to your fashion and styling journey. I hope I didn't ramble too much. I hope that kind of makes sense, but yeah, it's going to be a ride. So strap in, let's go. Mwah.